Imagine starting a track today and finishing it the same day. The pros, they don't start from scratch. They use templates. So they can finish tracks and drop hits after hits after hits. Now I know how it feels spending days, weeks, months on a track and still not finishing it. Frustrated, burnt out, wasting time while other people are getting signed.
But when you start with templates, everything changes. You're not staring at a blank page anymore. You already got the groove, the sound, the structure, everything's dialed in. So you can just get in the zone faster and actually finish. We've been doing this for 13 years, hundreds of thousands of templates sold, used by top DJs like and shows like The Voice, radio station like Virgin Radio use our templates. All you need is to drop in your ideas, add your personal touch, and boom, you've got a track you can actually finish. Not in months, in days. And you don't need to drop thousands on engineers and mastering to sound pro.
Build faster, sound better, get the edge. Click on the link.
Finish more, release more, be heard. Templates aren't cheating, they're the cheat code.